Now I'm going to show you exactly what the vertical navigation includes. So I'm going to go step by step to each page. The first icon is the 2022 calendar, and then you have the plan, which is the master page where you can put down your plans for 2022 for big milestones, actions to complete, and results and such. And then you have the extra. Again, this is also an important icon because it will bring you to the extra templates, stickers, and tutorial pages. And then you will start with the monthly pages. So basically you are going to go to the monthly calendar pages. You can always just jump like this. You will go to the 7 built-in notebooks. I've already added some content here for this video, but you can choose any color and go to that notebook. So that's how the vertical navigation works. And now let me show you one other navigation that's inside this planner. I call it the horizontal navigation. It's usually inside the planning sections, and it's that one here. It has some links to monthly, weekly, and daily pages, depending on where you are on the planner. So for example, for the monthly planner, you will only have links to the other monthly pages. And when I say that, let's go to September, and I'm going to show you how this planning page for September is connected with other planning pages for September. Like for example, the money page, the tracker, the 1 win a day for the entire month, and the review of that month. You can also use this kind of navigation in the weekly page, where you have access to the monthly links and weekly links to meal plans, ideas for the week, and weekly results. And lastly, you can have this navigation in the daily page. And from the daily page, you have links to the monthly pages for that month, to the weekly pages for that current week, and for the daily notes for that day, just like this. And there is one other navigation that I want you to know. Let's go back to the monthly page. Let's go to these special monthly pages for money, tracker, win at the day, and the review. You see here on the top of the screen, you have an additional navigation with the name of the month. So this one allows you to jump to a different month in this category. So inside here, I am in the review the month category. So if I jump to September, I can go to see the review for September. If I jump to June, I will see the review page for June. I have the exact same options for the other categories. Let's say I'm going to the money. And if I go to September, I will see the September money. Also, if I want to see the full year review for the money for this category, I just check 2022. And I have the full review for my money. And of course, again, I can see the full review for money, tracker, wins, and results right here from the navigation. Let me show you. The 2022 Outline Planner has extra links that will help you go anywhere inside the planner very quickly. The 2022 calendar, which is this one here, has a lot of links that will allow you to go to a week or a day. A monthly calendar page has links that will allow you to go to any week or day as well. A weekly page has links that will allow you to go to any single day for that week. And you see here you have 3 options for each day, meaning that you can go to the daily page, daily planning page, daily life notes or simple notes, and daily work notes, which are also simple notes pages. Other extra links you will find in the tracker. The tracker page will have links to the daily pages right here. as well as the Win a Day page. Again, you'll have links to the daily page. Other extra links can be found in the weekly meal plan. This one here gets you to the daily planning page. And some more links can be found right inside these pages under the titles. So you see how you are in the notes page for the daily notes page. You can easily click this title and you will be back to the daily planning page. You can do the same for the work. Go to work, hit the title, you will be back to the planning. And there is also this link here that will bring you back to the weekly view, just like this. So choose any day, go back to week. Choose any day, go back to week. Apart from that, you will also have links to end of the month recap or weekly results. These are placed here and they're meant to remind you that you need to review your week or your month. Also, I want to show you these additional links here, which says previous and next. Usually when you see these links, you will jump to the next page from the same category. Why are these links important? Especially since these weekly pages, or usually pages from the same category, are placed one after another. Well, if you ever decide to add more templates just after, for example, this page here, whenever you will slide the page, you will not have the weekly page one after another. However, if you use the links from the top of the screen, you will actually jump from one week to another with no interruption. Now let me show you the notebooks and how they work. I told you that the notebooks have these 12 chapters and each of these 12 chapters have links. Let's go to the second one because I have some content inside. I'm going to go to the first chapter and you see I already have added some notes. You can use the next and previous links to jump from one chapter to the next chapter to the next chapter. Also, you can slide a page and see the contents for that chapter. You usually can see in which chapter you are by seeing the number here. Let's say number 2, it's the Vault Digital Notebooks. And the color. The color allows you to see which of the notebooks you are in.